if I want to explain you, before it I must know how the shape of the Pascal triangle will reach for this expansion. We write 1 for the power 0, we write 1 for the power, this is for the power 0, this is for the power 1, we write 1 on boundary and 1 plus 1 2 for the power 2, we write 1 again on the boundary, then 1 plus 2 3 and 2 plus 1 3, that is 1 3 3 1. This is for power 3. Then we write 1 on boundary. It is what? It is 4, it is 6 and it is 4. So this is for the power 4. If powers are 5, then on the boundary 1, this become 1 plus 4 5, this becomes 6 plus 4 10, 6 plus 4 10, 4 plus 1 5, and this is as it is 1. So this is for the 5. So if powers are 5 in a binomial, then the coefficients on the boundary as usual always 1. Coefficient of the second term will be 5, third will be 10, next will be 10 and next will be 5. So if I write the expansion of a plus x to the power 5 for this either in the increasing power of a or in the increasing power of x. Suppose I am taking increasing power of a. So first of all, a is to power 5, coefficient is 1. Then the second is what? Coefficient is 5, one of the power of a will be decreased, that will be what? 4, and x power will increase. Here power of x is 0, here power of x is 1. Then for the next it is 10. So 10, one of the power a will be decreased, that is 3, and power of x will increased, that is 2. For the next term it is what? Again 10, and one of the power when reduced, decreased, it is a2 x cube. Then plus what we can say, we have reached till this second 10, then 5, this become 5, one more power is reduced, decreased, that is what? 1, and x power increased 4. And now finally it is what? 1, because on boundary it is 1. It is 1. Finally the power of a becomes 0, that is 1, and 1 into 1 is 1, and maximum power of x here become 5. So this is the expansion of a plus x to the power 5 with the help of Pascal's application in the increasing power of x and decreasing power of a. The same can also be written as that we can write 1 of x5. First I am taking maximum power of x, then 1 of the power is reduced of x and increased of a, coefficient remains same, this 5, this become x raised to the power 4 and a raised to the power 1. Now I am taking another is 10, power of x become 3 and a's become 2, then again 10, power of x become 2, a's power become 3, and next will be 5, coefficient, power of x is 1, a's power is 4, and then finally it is 1, it is x power 0 and a's power 5. These both are the same. A plus x is binomial, separated by plus sign, powers are 5, coefficients are obtained by the Pascal's triangle and can be expanded in any of the way, either in the increasing of a with decreasing of x, and either in the decreasing of x and increasing of a. One more thing is to be noticed, that the coefficients from beginning and end are always same. Here first is 1, last is 1. Second is 5, second last is 5. Third from beginning is 10, third from end is also 10. Fourth from beginning is 10, fourth from end is 10. Fifth from beginning is 5, fifth from end is 5. So this is what? This is nothing but with the help of this Pascal who discovered the binomial's expansion, and with the help of Pascal triangle we can go to expand any power with integral. Now I am taking one of the expansion where the sign of negative is in between two unlike terms, a minus x to the power 4 or x minus a to the power 4. I am expanding both. We have to take care that as x is negative, so this should be in which position? Increasing power of x. Here a is negative, so its expansion should be of type what? Where a's power are increasing. In order to notice what will be the coefficients in the expansion of both, we should take the help of Pascal triangle. For power 0, we have the 1. For power 1, we have 1, 1. For power 2, we have 1, 1 on boundary and middle terms coefficient 2. For the next power 3, we have 1, 1 on boundary and 2 middle terms as 3. And for the power 4, we have 1, 1 on boundary, second term is 4, second last coefficient is 4 and middle coefficient is 6. So 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 will be the coefficient in both. Only thing is that x is negative, so we will start with the 0 power of x and highest power of a. Its highest power can be 4 only, so this become 1 into a's to power 4 and x to the power 0. As I told you, it is negative in x, so that's why I will take the powers of increasing x. First term is positive, second is negative in x, so that's why I will take the powers of increasing x. First term is positive, second is negative. This become 4 is the coefficient, a's power 3, x power 1, then positive 6 as I am taking third, this become a's power 2, x power 2, then 4, this become negative 4a x cube, and finally we have to take plus 1, that is a's power 0, x power 4. So this is the expansion 1a x a4 x0 minus 4a cube x1 plus 6a square x square minus 4a x cube plus 1a0 x4. So it is the expansion of a minus x to the power 4. As the sign is negative, so we have to take alternatively plus minus plus minus plus. And we have taken x power increasing. Here it is x minus a to the power 4. So we will take the increasing powers of a. That will be what? 1, the coefficient, powers of x highest here in the first term as a is negative, so least power 0. Now what is to be taken? The next is 4, that to be negative, and become x1 less. We have to take here 4 x cube a1, then plus 6 x square a square, then minus 4 x a cube, then plus 1. This become x0 a's power 4. So what we need to take care, if sign is of negative, whose sign is negative, we have to take that's increasing power and others decreasing power. I will tell you how these Pascal triangles coefficients are related with our combination. This one is what? NC0. This one is what? If we take NC0, NC0 means what? This is factorial n upon factorial 0 into factorial n minus 0. This answer is 1. These boundary results 1 and 1 are NC1. If NC1, if I take power 2 accordingly, then these are somehow related to if power is 1. So this become 1C1. If power is 2, we can say these 1 and 1 are 2C1 and 2C1, and middle term is what? 2C2. Similarly, in case if powers are 3, we are finding 1, 3, 3, 1. So what become this? This become 3C0, 3C1, 3C2, 3C3. Power is 4. This coefficient is the value of 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, 4C3, 4C4. So what conclusion is coming? The conclusion is that if power is 0, this is what? 0C0. If power is 1, then this become 1C1 both the coefficient. If power is 2, we are starting with 2C0. 2C0, this is 2C0, this is 2C1. Or we can say it is 2C2 also, because answer of 2C0 and 2C2 is same. This is 3C1, this is 3C0, 3C1, 3C2, 3C3. It is 4C0, 4C1, 4C2, 4C3 and 4C4. So the Pascal triangles coefficient are related with the combination terms which I will explain you when we will write the coefficient of a plus x to the power n or a minus x raised to the power n.